Hello, this is a little video just to show you how the front wheel comes off the Royal Enfield 500 Electra X. This is the one, as you can see, with the disc brake. Now I've already taken off the nut there, the wheel nut, and I've taken out the little bolt here. All goes well. This wheel should come off easily. Seems tighter than it ought to be. I don't know why it's like that. Give it a bit of a drift. There we go. Spindle is out. Washer goes with it. The wheel should now just slide forward. There's the bush. Spacer. That side. This is where you find out you haven't got it high enough on the stand. Well, I'm going to change the mud guard anyway, so I've got to just undo the bolts to take the mud guard off. I don't think it will come. Oh, it might do. It does, that's okay. I'm taking the wheel off because I'm going to change the tyre and put road tyres back on it. I bought these trials tyres for it last year, and as I was working up, I was riding 35 miles and 25 miles of it was up country lanes each way to work and back. So I was doing 70 odd miles each day, and I bought these, put them on the bike because I was going to be there all summer, and then the job stopped. So that was a bit of an expensive mistake. Anyway, I'm going to put the road tyres back on. There we are.